Tofu stir fry or soya bean kebab stir fry is on the inspirational menu for today. Welcome yummy if today is the first time on this channel. So this is my tofu. I got it from the shop, but you can also make yours at home. But I always prefer to buy it from the shop because I find it very convenient and so easy. Now I'm going to cut them into smaller square shapes. So once I'm done cutting them, I'll pat them dry with a paper towel to take away some of the excess water. So when I'm done patting them dry, I'll set it aside, and in another pan, I'll add in some oil and then add in a little, about half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of curry powder, and half teaspoon of pepper, and then mix it on fire for at least 30 seconds. I'll set the spiced oil aside for it to cool down. Now in another bowl, I'll add in tomato and pepper and wash it very well. Next, I'll cut the tomato into two and remove all the seeds out from it. Once I'm done, I'll add in some ginger and garlic together with some onions and blend them without water. So back to the tofu in a bowl, I'll add everything in and then add in some seasoning powder and then add salt to taste. Then I'll shake it out for everything to be mixed very well. Once I'm done with that, I'll add in the blended tomato mixture and once again shake for everything to be mixed. Next to add is the spiced oil and again shake to mix. Now the last thing to add is some dried parsley and once again shake it a little bit. Cover and marinate for 24 hours. So after 24 hours, this is what I'm having. I'm going to arrange some on a skewer and then leave the rest in the bowl. Once I'm done arranging some on the skewer, in a pan I'll add in oil and leave it for it to be hot. Once it is hot, I will line the skewed tofu in and then pan grilled it till it is well grilled. Now you can use the oven at this point, but for the sake of people who do not have oven at home, you can use this method. So when I'm satisfied that it is well grilled, I'm going to take everything out from the pan and set it aside. Now I'm going to continue with the rest that were not skewed. What I mean is that were not arranged on a skewer. I'm going to pan fry it till it is well fried. That is when I achieve at least a golden color. You understand what I mean? So this is okay. I'm going to take everything out from the pan and set it aside. Now I'm using the same pan. I washed it actually. I'll add in a little bit of oil and add all the vegetables that I'll be using. That is some paprikas and onion. Now I'll add a little salt to it and saute for at least some few seconds or 45 seconds. At this point, I'm going to add in the tofu, both the ones that were skewed and the ones that were not skewed. You understand? Now, since we are making a stir-fried soya kebab, I'm going to add in some suya kebab powder and pan fry this for at least 30-45 seconds, 1 minute, just depending on how high and how low your heat is. You can add in more of the soya powder, you can add less, and also taste for salt and adjust it according to how you want it. Now your tofu stir fry is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you do enjoy yourself wherever you are, and make sure to do everything in love. So then, choose.